It's Zach with Imaging Spectrum, and today I'm excited to show you Epson's first ever desktop dye sublimation transfer printer, the F570. This 24-inch wide printer is an entry-level solution for anyone ready to jump into the versatile world of sublimation printing to do things like mug printing, photo metal panel transfers, frame customization, transfers onto apparel, and much more. This is a great printer for a startup or any business looking to add exciting new products, and Epson provides everything you need right out of the box. With the initial purchase, you will receive 2 free sets of ink, 2 rolls of 17-inch, and 1 roll of 24-inch multi-purpose transfer paper. Of course, I can't talk about Epson without mentioning image quality. With print resolutions up to 2400 by 1200 dpi and precision dot technology, you have cutting-edge integrations to enhance your final output. The new 1.33-inch print head and 800 nozzles per color gives you commercial-grade reliability with incredible print speeds. And the nozzle verification technology automatically detects the nozzle conditions and can adjust if necessary. Speaking of nozzles and speed, you will be amazed at the low cost of ink. Epson has included a bulk system at an incredibly competitive price point for 5 times the ink at a quarter of the price of the competitor for 140 milliliters of ink per cartridge. This means you no longer need to worry about spending tons of money on ink and can instead focus more time making money and growing your business. This sublimation printer is in a class of its own, with its large format capabilities and Epson quality at a price point for any startup or small outfit. Don't forget that you need a heat press. You will want to use up to a 24-inch heat press to maximize efficiency and output options. For specialty items such as mugs, hats, plates, you can use a specialty heat press to complement your substrate. Check imagingspectrum.com for different heat press options that best suit your business for transferring onto materials. Your imagination is your only limitation. Let's talk about how easy this printer is to use. The Epson F570 comes with an easy-to-see 4.3-inch touchscreen, and while the printer is compact enough to place on a desk, there is an optional stand if you want to reserve your working surface. Integrated connectivity means you can print using Ethernet, USB, or even Wi-Fi. The included driver and print workflow solution is both Mac and PC compatible, so you can print from virtually any application. The driver has a print preview and layout manager for nesting your projects with the utmost efficiency. You can switch media types such as rigid or textile, paper width, color profiles, and quality settings all in a user-friendly interface. And Epson has added this printer to the job accounting tool for PC users so you can track your exact cost and properly align your prices to stay competitive in your market. For media handling, this printer includes an auto sheet feeder with 50 sheets capacity for smaller jobs and less waste, meaning for those quick one-off jobs, you reduce your costs and increase efficiency. Since Epson has their own transfer media, their printer seamlessly works with their consumables for 8.5 to 11 by 11 to 17 size sheets and up to 24 inches wide on a 2-inch core. The sublimation process is as simple as print and press. Use your design software to mirror the image you want to print. Be sure to set the proper media type, rigid for materials like coffee mugs and metal plates, or textile for apparel and soft goods. You'll want to print on Epson DS Transfer multi-purpose paper as it is optimized for high quality on rigid materials and has fantastic coverage on fabric and soft goods. Today, I'm pressing a mug on our Geonite DK3 and an 18 by 15 Chromolux aluminum gloss panel on our DK25 Swing Away, as well as koozies, coasters, and onesies to show you just how versatile this machine is. Take your print and use tape to attach it ink side down to your surface. Then press with proper pressure and time requirements for that material. As soon as the timer has finished, you will want to remove the transfer paper quickly to eliminate any ghosting, which may be caused by a shift in the media. Careful, as the items will still be hot. Now the ink has been embedded into the material strong enough for just about anything you throw at it. And don't forget all the soft good options you have as well. As simple as that, you have an amazing quality print with a beautiful substrate ready for display or sale. The F570 is a compact and easy-to-use printer that, when combined with genuine Epson consumables, will give you consistent, high-quality results that will not break the bank. Stop by Imaging Spectrum to check out how fun it is to use the first ever Epson desktop sublimation solution, and you will be amazed by the quality and ease of use.